Maddy and Jimmy.
Hey guys, Maddie and Jimmy here, and we're coming to you all the way from Universal Studios in Hollywood, Los Angeles.
Now, as you guys know from our past videos, we have built dinosaurs out of Lego, but we're doing something a little bit different today, aren't we, Mads?
That's right, Jimmy. We are actually going to ride with some. Pretty excited. We are at Jurassic World, and we are about to get on board one of the coolest rides of the moment. How are you feeling, Jimmy?
I am feeling a little bit scared. Those raptors in the very first movie still give me nightmares, so we'll see how we go.
This is going to be a ride and review. Stay tuned.
Clever girl. There's a guy wearing a poncho. That's not a good sign.
I forgot to bring my umbrella.
Is this a bad time to say I have an irrational fear of dinosaurs?
Dinosaurs, a vast ocean was home to an explosion of life. At the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep. You are clear for entry.
Seems like everything's working, everything's above board, nothing's going to go wrong. Not a good sign. Something's broken. Oh, the Indominus Rex has escaped.
We have one boat in the cove just past the return point. Sir, Blue is out of containment. Active containment units to Predator Cove. Repeat, ACU to Predator Cove. Code red. Our system's going down across the board.
I said ACU, that means air conditioning units.
Remain in the boat and stay calm. Access control units are on their way. We have to find Blue now. Tracking multiple targets.
If you can see me, I need you to keep your hands inside the boat. The slightest movement will set these animals off.
I think a dinosaur sneezed on me. Wow!
That was crazy. I enjoyed it, Jimmy, but I'm not 100% sold. I thought the animatronics in that ride were great. They looked really cool. The dinosaurs were awesome. But there was not a lot of action. There was a lot of floating. There was one cool drop at the end.
Yeah, I have to agree. I love that big drop right at the end. But for most of it, it was like a pleasant water ride. And for their kind of big ride that they're advertising here at Universal Studios, yeah, it doesn't quite have the bite it was supposed to.
And luckily we had a fast pass, so we got through really quickly, but the general line was about an hour. So
yeah.
I don't know.
I wouldn't have waited an hour.
I wouldn't have waited an hour for that ride. I'm going to give it to me 3 out of 5.
And I'm going to give it 2.5 out of 5. Sorry, Indominus Rex, you just didn't quite act like the king for me.
This has been a Maddie and Jimmy Ride and Review.
Oh my god, raptors.